Hi, this is Nirmala Shinde and this is a video about basics of SWI Prolog. After going through video, it is expected that students will be able to install, code, compile and execute the program in SWI Prolog. The SWI Prolog is open source software and the outline of the SWI Prolog is setup and IDE. Choose the following site and install the appropriate SWI Prolog. Choose the file extension as .pro. You may choose the other extension like .pl as well, but go for .pro extension. After installation, for opening the Prolog, select the Prolog icon, which provides us the window as shown in PPT. Now, select File menu, New option. It opens the Explorer to save the Prolog file with .pro extension. Type the sample program as shown in PPT. Now save the file by pressing keys Ctrl plus S. Then from File menu, select the Consult option and choose the sample Prolog program file. If there is any error in file, it will be notified. Otherwise, it shows the question mark prompt for accepting the input to execute the program. As the sample program contains course taken as part of knowledge base, type the query as course taken in bracket WP full stop and press enter to view the result. The result of query is true because one of the course name is WP. Now type the query as course taken WP1. The result of our query is false because course name is not present in given Prolog program. Now type the query as course taken in capital X. Here any variable written in capital is taken as free variable and will return matching values as output. In first, it has given as x is equals to HMI. As I type full stop, it will stop providing me the result. So result of again I have typed as course taken in capital X. Now it has given x is equals to HMI. So the result of x, but there is that's not the only answer. If you wish to see rest of the answer, press semicolon. It will give you further matching values. Thank you.